Dividing exponential problems with like bases. When you are dividing, you will reduce the coefficients and subtract the exponents, but leaving the variable on the side, either numerator or denominator, that has the highest power. And so we're going to first look at the coefficients. What number divides into 8 and 24 evenly? Well, they're both divisible by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Now we're going to choose a side that has a larger exponent for the x's, and that would be in the denominator. We're going to choose a side that has a larger exponent for the y's. That will be the numerator. So let's rewrite it, and we're going to subtract and leave the power in the side that is the largest. So let me rewrite this. We have 1, and the y is what we circled in the top. And so for the exponent, we're going to do 10 minus our exponent for the bottom, which is a 1, because it's not written, so it's understood to be 1. In the denominator, we have 3 x to the 5th, because that's what's there, minus the exponent from the numerator, which was a 4. So let's write our final answer. We do not need the 1 in front of the y, so we have y to the 9th power in the numerator. In the denominator, we have the 3, and x to the 5 minus 4, which is 1, and we do not have to write the 1 that's in the exponent. That's your answer.